guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see in today's video, we're doing another makeup look. This one has more neutral colors but still has like a pop of color in it, because obviously it's like brown and orangey, but it has a pop of like turquoise, aqua blue, whatever color you want to call it, but I really like it. Also, I wanted to mention the new lighting. Like, if you couldn't tell, this is way better than my last makeup tutorial, because I don't look washed out like in the last one, because I think I looked washed out because of the other lights up there and the ones I had in front of me weren't bright enough. So I added more lights because I realized that I had more, and I was over here like thinking like, where can I find more lights? I had some already in my drawer, I just forgot, but I found them. And if you like makeup tutorials and fashion things and lifestyle and like hairstyle and stuff, then this is the channel for you. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications too while you're at it. If you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching, boo boo. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by taking this dark brown eyeshadow from my Morphe 39A palette, and I'm gonna use this to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm also gonna use an angled brush for that. And to me, it doesn't really matter if it's like perfect or not, because we're gonna end up cleaning it up with concealer after, so yeah. So now I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and this is in the shade 360 called Cashmere, and I'm just gonna use that to prime my lids and carve out my eyebrows at the same time. Now I'm taking this white eyeshadow from my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to use that on a fluffy brush to set my eyelids and anywhere that I put concealer. So I quickly did my other eyebrow, and now we're going to start with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this color from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm applying it a little bit above the crease, just like a transition shade. Now I'm going back into my 39A palette, and I'm taking this darker kind of orange color, and this I'm going to apply below the first color, basically in my crease this time. This is the next color I'm going to take, and I'm just going to apply it in the crease as well, and this is just to deepen it up a little bit more.
Blackout.
Now I'm taking a darker color, and this I'm taking on a flat brush, and this is just to make sure I pack it into the crease for more pigment. So now I'm going to take this dark rust color, and I'm using that on a smaller brush just to make sure it's even more defined before we go ahead and cut the crease. So now it's time to cut my crease, and I'm using the same concealer that I used for my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna take a little small angled brush, and I'm gonna use that to carve out my crease. Once I've cut my crease, I'm going to start by applying shimmer. So I'm going to take this one from my Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm going to focus this on the center of my lid. And I'm first going to start by applying with my finger, but I will go in with a smaller brush just to make sure I can get really close to the edges. Now I'm taking this darker blue, and this one's gonna go on the outer corner, and I'm gonna make sure to blend it in with the lighter blue. Juice. Now I'm taking a lighter blue, and again this is from the Morphe 39A palette, and this one is gonna go on the inner corner. So now I'm taking the same dark brown that I used for my eyebrows, and I'm taking it on the small brush, and I'm making sure to focus it on the outer corner and make sure I blend it in with the shimmer as well. And this is to deepen it up. I'm still using the same color, but this time I'm taking it on a smaller brush, and this is just to get really close to the cut crease to define it even more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corner a little bit more. So I'm gonna take this light, like very light blue, and this one's gonna go in the inner corner and like around the edges of the cut crease to brighten it up. So I quickly did my other eye, and I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm just gonna put this on my eyelashes. Now it's time for falsies, and I'm gonna take the Lily Lashes in the style Miami. So once I've applied my eyelashes, I'm going to start with the base. So I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the number 360 again, and it's called Cashmere. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. For foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in the number 124, and it's called Soft Sand. So I'm gonna take my flat brush that I always use for this, and I just dip it in, and I'm just gonna apply that on my face. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and Fair Light, and I'm going to take this on a powder brush to set my face. Now I'm going back into my Morphe 39A, and I'm taking this color, and I'm going to use that to bronze my face. So if you guys don't know, I do use an eyeshadow to bronze my face, and it works just as well. So once I've bronzed my face, I'm going to go in with this dark brown, and this is going to go on my lower lash line. Juice. Blackout. So now I'm going to take the darkest brown that we've used so far, and I'm going to apply this closer to my lash line to darken it up. now I'm taking my mascara and I'm just gonna apply that to my lower lashes. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay Matte Lipstick in the shade Driver and I'm just gonna apply that to my lips. I'm just gonna darken that up a little bit with the Kylie lipstick in the shade Commando. Now I'm gonna take the lightest shimmer that we've used so far, and this is from the Galaxy Chic palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just putting that on the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm gonna take my Becca highlighter in the color Champagne Pop, and I'm just gonna use that to highlight my face. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the end of this tutorial on doing this Aqua blue cut crease. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a like and comment down below whatever you want, and other than that, I will pretty much see you guys in the next one. Bye!